Hello, I'm in a 2009 Honda Ridgeline, and today I'm going to show you to check your oil level. So first open the hood, and then we'll look for this dipstick. This will be to check your oil level. So pull this out, wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, stick it all the way back in, all while the engine's off. Pull this out again, and then towards the end here, you can see these grid lines. The left side would be your full, and then towards the right is your low. So if you're not closer on that full mark, you might want to add some. Stick this back in, and then right over here, this cap is where you would add your new oil. So make sure you're using the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But you unscrew this, and with the funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. But screw this on nice and tight once you're done with that oil. And then I would start the vehicle, have this motor running for 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. At that point, turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the beginning with this dipstick to see if we're at the full mark now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in place of regular oil changes, which typically do by putting the vehicle on a slight lift, going underneath where the oil plug is, pull that, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug in again nice and tight, and then add all the oil recommended for your motor type for an oil change here. Screw this on nice and tight, and then start the motor again for 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then here again, like we did in the very beginning, check to see if we're on that full. And depending on type of oil, motor age, things like that, usually you do oil changes between about 3,000 to 8,000 miles. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.